Building networks for impact. Stakeholder and ally engagement in refugee advocacy. Refugee advocacy does not happen alone. Success depends on working with and influencing a diverse network of stakeholders, people, and groups who can help, oppose, or stay neutral. Knowing who they are, what they care about, and how much power they hold is key. Good advocacy means building coalitions, collaborating ethically, and navigating complex politics to create real, lasting change. Why understanding your stakeholders is one of the most important foundations of effective refugee advocacy. In the refugee rights space, this is never just one person or group. It's a complex web of people, institutions, and sometimes even unexpected actors. Let's break it down. Who could your stakeholders be? They might include refugee-led groups themselves, big national or international NGOs, faith-based charities, educators, doctors, legal aid groups, local businesses, journalists, policymakers, yes, sometimes even corporate employers. Some of these people will be on your side right away. They might already support your mission and can help spread your message. We call these allies or supporters. Others might not care much. Maybe they just don't know enough yet, or they don't see how it connects to their daily work. These people are your neutrals, and they can become allies if you engage them well. And then, of course, there may be some who actively oppose refugee rights, for example, anti-immigration political groups or institutions with interests in keeping refugees out. Good advocates never act blindly. They ask sharp, practical questions to stay focused and make real change. Here's how you should think about it. Who really matters for your goal? Not everyone is equally important. Identify who can directly help you achieve your aim, who might block you, and who has the power to sway opinions or resources. What do they care about? Each stakeholder has different motivations. Some care about safety and public order, others about budgets, public opinion, human rights, or their political image. Understanding these priorities helps you frame your message in a way that connects. Where do they stand? Are they supportive of your cause? Are they undecided? Or do they actively oppose you? This shapes how you engage with them. Do you mobilize them, persuade them, or plan around their opposition? How much influence do they have? Not every stakeholder has the same power. Some can pass new laws, release funding, or influence large groups of people. Others have less direct power, but can help build grassroots support. When you answer these questions, you avoid wasting time trying to persuade everyone. Instead, you focus your limited energy where it matters most. Practical example, making it real. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine you want better housing policies for refugees in your city. First, look for supporters. For example, a local housing advocacy group might already be fighting for affordable homes. They're strong allies. Partner with them to expand your reach and build credibility. Next, think about neutrals. Local businesses may not have an opinion yet, but if you show them how welcoming refugees brings new customers and workers, they could turn into valuable supporters. Finally, don't forget opponents. Maybe there's a neighborhood group that fears new housing will lower property values. By knowing this, you can plan how to address their worries, negotiate with them, or reduce their resistance. By mapping out supporters, neutrals, and opponents like this, you focus your time and energy where it matters most. In short, smart advocacy means knowing who matters, what they care about, and how to bring them on board or reduce their resistance so you can create real impact.